Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download the VLC app for your Fire TV device. If you have it loaded, just toggle onto the find bar above, click once below to go to search. So hitting the search bar will will give you this keyboard. On this keyboard, you can navigate to the letters corresponding to the app you wish to download. So for this tutorial, I'll be looking at the VLC player. And typing VLC, you just see the VLC player on the suggestions below. You click it, and now you click on the VLC app icon. Immediately you do that, this page will begin to load, and you find a download button available right there. So click on download, and after a few seconds it will begin. Just be patient, your download has commenced, and depending on your network speed, this should take you from a couple of seconds to just over a minute. And immediately it is downloaded, you find the installation process seamless. You have an automatic installation process. All you need to do is sit down, relax, and wait for the app to install. So when the app installs, you have it directly accessible in your app library. Alternatively, you find a button on the screen where the download button was. You find a button with the open app icon. So hitting that button will just open the application, and you can enjoy it directly from there. Now, if you have value from this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I want to see you in the next video.